morning, good morning. Just as you just seen, we just got off the bus. We're here at the Magic Kingdom, our fourth park for the week. And then after today is just going to be like a repeat. So you see where Joe and Tony went and find them and decide. All right, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Actually, Joe and Tony should be welcoming because they brought me here. But so yeah. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. No one ever sees that, but you will all see that now. All right. Thank you. All right. What do I see over there? The castle. It's so beautiful. It's got the 50th on it. Okay, so Joe, originally our first lightning was Big Thunder.
Big Thunder Mountain. Right.
It got
It went down.
They went down.
So then what they do is they give you a free ride anything pass. So you just walk up to any ride you want to do instead and just tap your magic band and you're
But
on.
now Big Thunder is back open.
Big Thunder was back on the list, which means it went down probably for a little bit. Now it's open, so we're just going to go and do the original.
Our original plan.
Yeah.
And it still worked out. Look at that. See?
Yeah.
Patience is a virtue. Anyway, so off to Big Thunder in a minute because we got like 45 minutes. So, all right, let's go. We are now entering Adventureland. Oh, look at that treehouse. I love that treehouse.
That's where we're going later.
Anyone want to go on a magic carpet ride? Ooh, I love this area. So cute. Splash Mountain. I think I want to get wet at some point today. So we'll go. Maybe I can do that later. Like I said, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Right. So you're automatically like the second you touch it, dude.
Thank you.
Just gonna get inside. We'll do this one. All right. And then we will come out and go. Okay?
I somehow feel like I am in Arizona. Oh, that felt good. Get a little bit wet. I like this song, this sign. So obviously you see we're in a different queue. We're in the lightning. This is what we got today. And see how you just take your magic band. Thank you. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Go. Big Thunder Mountain was fun.
Oh, I love it.
I remember the one in California being fun, but this was a lot of fun. That was not one, not two, but 3 rides in one. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully we can come back to this one because I really enjoyed it. Alligators and things there. Stay away from the water. Do not feed the wildlife. Uh-oh. But look, what do I see over there? And there's the castle. And oh, there's Mr. Shields to you. Don't mind him. All right, so we did a ride, and I got something to drink, and I purchased a new magic band. I purchased the Haunted Mansion one, and then we came through the medieval times over there. But anyways, what I want to say is, you know, I was looking at the cast over there, looking around, and it's like I think I'm still in shock that I'm actually here because I've always wanted to come here, and it's just like a dream come true, literally. But I worked hard for this, and I planned for this, and you know, made this happen. So, and it wouldn't have happened without these guys. So, yeah. Anyways, just want to point that out. So, and if you guys are not familiar, Joey, want to explain these to everybody?
There's for the 50th anniversary, there's gold statues in all 4 parks. We found Pinocchio. There's like 36 of them, I believe, and there's like 18 here. So,
It's for the 50th
but
anniversary,
yeah, it
right?
commemorates the 50th anniversary of Disney World.
Disney World, Magic Kingdom. But that's what that's what he's talking about. Okay, we are. Where are we at?
We're going on 7 Dwarfs Mine Train.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. 7 dwarfs. I don't know. I'm sure. Maybe could I be one of the 7 dwarfs? I don't know. Maybe they will. Now the doors. So some of these ceiling lights are different color. Like, you see that one over there? So I love how you're like in a cave. But look at that. There you go. Alright, she said rows 3 and 4. So it's these 2 right here. Alright, I'm mine. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. And Joe just looks away because he doesn't want to talk to the camera.
We're 3, but one's with one.
Oh no, where did they all go? 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, that was absolutely fun. I couldn't help but clap my hands to the music. We were going through, you know, along the ride, and you come to the fading and the music and all that, the animation. It was so much fun. Anyways, Mr. Shields, to you.
7 Dwarfs, baby.
That's right. That was so much fun. Anyways, Tony already, he's down there. Yeah, so we got to catch up to him. No copyright when I sing this. Under the sea, under the sea. That's a nice plaque. Under the sea. No copyright as I sing under the sea. I see starfish. But yeah, as I was telling Tony earlier, this is different from the one from Disneyland. Disneyland is like in a building, a box building. But maybe they'll change it up to like how it is here. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, I see it. What, Joe?
But I want more.
Goes. We want to be the opposite of what? Look up, look up. And there's more queue, and there's more queue. You go under the sea, through the reef, you end up in the kingdom under the sea. This is a beautiful kingdom under the sea. There's 3 of us. There's 3 of us. Keep going? Okay. And there's the same cars, just like at Disneyland in the show. I just got off The Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid's a great story, but to be immersed in a story like that, I wrote the one in California. It's basically the same thing, but it's always great to be, to go through the story and be immersed. The animation in that is the way Disney does their animatronics is absolutely amazing. So.
There you go. That's actually right.
I think Joe was talking to his camera.
Isn't that sad? Why would you want to leave? I don't like the guy's hair.
As you can see, Haunted Mansion entrance, but we're doing Lightning Lane. good mansion, just like I remember from California, but it's still, it's good. I like it. Anyways, we got some other things to do. We're probably get some to eat and then go from there. Hey guys, check these out. These are my baby cannons. Aren't you so cute? On to Pirates of the Caribbean. You may get wet, but we have lightning, so we're gonna look at lightning. Look at the regular lane or queue. But we got the lightning. Bye guys. Bye, captains. Look where they all go.
Hi there, crew. For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children, and no flash pictures. Prepare.
Aye, aye, captain. Ooh, that boat out.